zooming, getting a new zoom and everything, and what's his name taught me a lot. Stavo. Always great to Jolly Roger. Always a pleasant to watch it later. This looks like a cute boat. I like it. It's not a dinghy. It's, you know, it looks like a dinghy style, but it's some sort of a mini power boat, you know, like a semi-power boat. Oh no. That is, for that size, the 3 end, that is a power boat. So I think I'm going to end this session with this boat unless the boat comes right away. I gotta go and bring my... זה מנוע מאוד חזק, לא?
Well guys, another video from Haulover Beach Inlet. This one had a little bit of everything, power boats, yachts, and other type of boats that I don't even know what they are. But listen, I also want to thank Joseph Levy. He's always working with me, trying to bring you the best content that we both can capture. And sometimes it's just funny to see his remarks, and I hope you like them. Also, I'm working on a premiere video that I'm gonna share with you. It's gonna be an exclusive. I'm working on it right now, and it's a collaboration with SR Yachts, and we're gonna show you a new model that is coming to America for this year's boat shows. I've also been invited to check out their yachts, and I'm also gonna be doing that more often, bringing you yachts in the inside and out. So for now, this is all. Be sure to follow the account if you haven't done so, and thanks for watching. Thank you.